if you see the previous examples also, the subquery, if you see here, where donor ID in, I'm selecting donor ID from donations, right?
Yes, sir.
This example also, employees, right? If you see the employees example, here also, I'm selecting employee ID in, where employee ID from projects only, right?
Yes, sir.
So hope now you got it right, employee ID in. So the where condition low, whatever column we are using, the subquery also should return the same column, right? For comparison.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. That's what, I think last week I was asking some, I was explaining, try to tell some query. I told it is not possible to do at that time.
So we can use a subquery only with where clause?
Yeah, subqueries will come under where condition only, where something equal to or greater than or inside that we write subquery. Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Subquery will return something that we are using in the where, right, for comparison.
So we cannot use it with group by and order by having.
Like group by అనేది exactly we have to tell column. In group by we can't use subquery.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Order by lo gaani, having lo gaani, we can't use subquery. Subquery is always used with where condition.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay. You remember, right? Last week. I want all the employees. I want to select all employees who were recruited last week. Select star from employee where date of join. Date of join greater than. We did that date underscore add. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Date, comma. Interval, right? -7. Day. Something we wrote like this. No,
Yes,
I was
sir.
meaning like this. 1 minute. How do you get 7 days back date?
Current date -7.
Date add. Date, right?
Select date add system date bracket.
Current date
Interval
-7, sir.
-7 days, sir.
This date, comma, interval, right?
Interval 7 space 7 days, sir.
-7 kadama.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
-7.
-7.
No comma, sir. It's after 7.
So you will get this one, right? Select this date, comma, interval -7 means you will get this 7 days back date, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say select star from employee where date of join greater than, select where greater than, if I write this, logically this is that, but I told, I clearly mentioned, if you go to the last week video, I told this is a wrong syntax. But logically this is what we wanted, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Logical ga this is what we wanted, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this will give you 7 days back date, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will give you 7 days back date.
Yes, sir.
I want all employees who joined
Last week.
right, and greater than this date, right? Logically it is fine, but this syntax is wrong. What you should have done here, this you should have written as a subquery, right? Like this you should have written. Ippudu idi correct.
You need to specify the table name, sir. Oh.
Is it this mana date kadama? Where is the table for this?
Oh.
So in previous subquery, maybe you use a table name.
Adi okay, two tables. It is from system, right? From your computer writing the date
Okay,
function.
yes.
Kadamari. This is a date function, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If I simply write this one, select like this, did I say any table here?
No.
No.
No, this is a date function, right? Date function which will give me this date, right? Did I tell any from some table?
No.
If functions kadamma, like date function, string of functions,
sir.
this is not a table. Ikkadante I am using donors, donations, projects, employees, those are all tables, so I have used a table.
Oh, sir.
Idem the date function kada, date add is a function, right? Which will get the current system date minus 7 days.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir.
By default, sir. Right?
Yeah. So if now what I should have done, select star from
Employee.
Employees.
file where
DOJ.
date of join greater than this I should have written as a subquery like this. So what is this subquery will give you output? This will give you this date, right?
Right.
Yes.
Select star from employees where date of join is greater than this date. That means we will get all employees who joined last week.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Better let me stop here. So we'll do one thing. You will get 1 week time, Garma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, you have today time is there at not 1 week. So today you have time, right? Please go through this joins, subqueries like that. You please go through that. Tomorrow again, I will repeat with some more examples. Then I will continue with the next topic.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Malin, examples it's not completed. Let me give some more examples. Because there are many things, right? A left outer row, right outer row is subqueries. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So because writing SQL query is very important.
Yes.
Because when we want to do database testing, we should know how to fetch the data from database, right? We should know how
Yes,
to
sir.
fetch the record
Yes,
from
sir.
database tables. Once we know how to fetch, then we can compare it. But first you should know how to write different SQL queries to fetch the data. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue, some more examples of these joins and subqueries. Then we will continue.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Screenshot
Thank
will
you,
take,
sir.
sir.
We'll take today's screenshot, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you.
One.
Done, sir.
Sir, 1
Second
minute.
one.
Oh, no. That's about to go, sir. Sir, previous screenshot, sir. Sorry, mister.
This one you want?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah, this is the SQL query what we wrote. 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah,
Done?
scroll down, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah, this one, this is where we have used. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute. This part. Now you take this one picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one.
Sir, here I have one doubt.
Yeah,
Excuse
1
me.
minute.
Okay.
Let me mind this one taken.
No, sir.
Previous ones, please, sir. Previous one. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you?
Done,
Type in that,
sir.
take it.
Done, sir.
This one.
So this one, yes, sir. Can you scroll a bit
little
upside?
left, sir?
Yeah.
ఇంతే ఉందిలే ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Just maybe copy that query, sir.
1 minute. Now okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Chappan, what is the question you have?
Sir, here in subquery, sir, in subquery I have done. So here, can you please add one more record in donations table as 6, donor ID 6,
Okay.
and amount is null, empty. Now can we change?
If they have not paid amount, then why we are adding in the donations?
Okay.
Okay, let me put 6, but you put okay, some amount you put. Okay, 6,000 ఏదో అనుకున్నాం. How many donor IDs we will get?
6.
Four donor IDs.
Sorry,
3,
4.
4. So we will get all donors whose ID is 1356, right?
Okay.
No, sir. If we have null value, sir, it will be selected or no, sir?
0.
Oh, sorry.
If the amount is 0.
Put null or 0 if you put also, you will get. But say what okay, logically this query will get how many records now?
4 records.
4 records. Yeah.
But the condition is who donated the amount. Display donor name, who donated amount.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. But I see this program, what it will understand. Oh, if some ID is there in the donations, means it will understand as if they paid money, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
But sir, it will show the null
table if there
values.
is a-
Donor ID.
Wait, ma. In this table, if there is a donor ID, means what do we understand?
They have paid some amount.
We paid some amount, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, for example, in a school, in a college, there may be, let's say, for example, I'm saying, let's say, okay, 500 students. Assume that in a college there are 500 students. No, they have taken only, let's say, for example, in a library. In library, they paid some amount and they have taken, membership. Let's say only 100 people have taken membership. In the library, they have taken only 100 members in the membership in a library. In the library system, which student records will be there?
100 students.
100 students.
Only 100 students who have taken membership, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why do the library will maintain 500 student registration numbers if they have not taken membership with null values unnecessary?
Okay, sir, so same as here, it show only 3 values.
No, but here it will select all the
Now
4.
if 6 is there, it will tell me say 4.
Yes, sir.
Now my point is, logically, if they have not donated any amount, why are you first of all inserting the record in the donations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, but actually, if it is null or 0, it will pick the values. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you have kept some null, if you have kept some 7 for 1, 3, okay, 2 also with null. Okay. If you put, for example, what is other record? 7 also null. Then you should have written some extra in the inside query. Select donor ID from donations where amount is greater than 0. Like that you should have written.
Okay, sir.
Today, now you will get only again 3 records, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So you have to write some extra thing here. Otherwise, if you don't write this extra, what will happen? It will show me all the people, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understood or not?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood.
Yeah, understood, sir.
So, అదే example అంటున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు for example, in a college, there are 500 students. And in the library, which record they will insert in the library? Only when a person come and take a membership, right? When they pay some money and take a membership, then only that student record will be added in the library database system, right?
Yes, yes,
If they have not paid amount, why do the library people are adding all the 500 student names?
yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So if they pay the money only, you are inserting this record, right? When they are not paying money, why are you inserting record in the first case?
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Projects table untadi. There is a employees table, there is a projects table. Whenever employee is mapped to a new project, then that employee will be added in the projects table. When an employee is not there in the project, why do we keep all the employees and some employees project name, some employees null? Why to keep like that first of all?
Yes.
Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఎంప్లాయీ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ మ్యాప్ చేసినప్పుడే కదా యువర్ రికార్డ్ విల్ గో ఇన్ టు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ టేబుల్, రైట్? యువర్ మ్యాప్ టు ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ టేబుల్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐడి. Otherwise, if employee is not working on any project, why to keep that employee ID here and unnecessary putting null value here? No use kadamma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So is it fine? Any more questions now?
Thank you, sir.
Fine, sir.
This query, like outer join, inner join is understand, sir, but it's a bit confusing, sir.
Common unless until you practice something, then you will understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, when I repeat, or if you go through the recording session one more time, 2 times, 3 times, you go through that for understanding. But unless
Yes, sir.
until you take some table and if you practice and see the output, then you will get a clarity.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So take this example, this website, or if you can find any other website, right, for online SQL practice editors, online editor for SQL practice. But you have to explore which tables there is a relation. Like that, if you explore, and let me also check today if I can find some more tables, right?
Yes,
Then I
sir.
can show you the difference.
Yes, sir.
But you also try from your side, exploring some tables, right, where we can use joins like that. Then you can
Okay,
understand.
sir.
Ante kada ippudu I am writing this function, a very small example. Even if I explain theoretically, this is what it will give means, unless until I show some output only, you will come to know, right, what it is doing.
Yes, sir.
Similar way, if you can see, sir, customer table, how many records are there? For example, orders table, how many records are there? Okay. Okay, if I ask you, now take this example, the customers table, okay, how many customers are there? 91 customers. See, 91 customers are there. Okay, do you think that all customers might have taken orders? All customers might have purchased any products? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that if there are 91 customers, do you think that 91 customers might have purchased some products?
Not
No,
required. sir.
not really, sir.
No.
Not really. Might have purchased or may not have purchased, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
ఇప్పుడు 91 customers are there. Maybe I don't know, all the 91 customers might have placed purchases some products. Some customers might not have purchased some products also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go to the
Yes,
orders
sir.
table. See, okay, now I found one table here for your understanding. Now, customer ID and customer ID matches in customer and orders table.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Emma, from the customers table and orders table, customer ID matches, right?
Yes, sir. Matches.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want customer name. Customer name. What is the order ID he has placed? And what is the order date? Date on what date they have placed the order. So now Chapanma. Now I am selecting columns from two tables or single table.
Two
Two
tables.
tables
Two
using
tables.
Now
join.
subqueries use channel, joins use channel.
Join.
Join.
Joins.
Emma, joins or subqueries?
Join.
Join.
Sir.
Join.
Join only, right? Because I want customer name, order ID, as well as order date also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us write this query here and see what it will do. Select
Star. Select. Or
Customer name,
customer name, comma,
order ID,
order ID, comma,
order.
order
order date,
from
From customer table,
customers,
join.
join, order
Orders.
on customer
Customer.
Dot customer ID.
Dot customer ID.
equal to
Equal
orders
to
dot customer
Orders
ID.
dot.
customer ID.
Okay, now this is what type of join?
Equal.
EQJ.
Equijoins.
Equijoin, sir.
Orders,
Orders, sir. Instead of order,
Order.
orders will be there.
Okay, spelling mistake. Okay. Yeah, now see we've got,
Babu.
okay, we got all the customers and what are the orders they have placed, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we get all the customers. Yeah, I got all the customers and what are all the orders that he has placed, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. But I will get only customers who have placed orders, right? Okay. Before that, let me, okay, this is fine. This is giving what type of output?
All the customers.
All the customers who are placed orders, right?
Orders, right.
Yes, ma.
Yes, sir. Customer IDs.
Customer IDs
Same.
and orders compulsory undali, because if a order is placed means then compulsory there should be some customer, right, who has placed an order.
Yes.
Now in this case there is no such comparison actually, because in this concept there is no chance of orders table having extra record without customer ID, ma. Emma, is there any record in the orders table without customer ID?
No.
No.
The compulsory some customer how to place an order, kada?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let us we take orders as a left side table, customers as right side table. Opposite chadam. No, just for practice purpose. Orders I will take left side table. Customers I will take it as a
Right side too.
right side table. Because now I expect that all the customers may not place some orders, right?
Right.
Now let me take orders as which table? Orders as
Left side table.
Left.
for comparison purpose. Okay, let me take order ID, comma, order
Date.
date, comma,
Customer ID,
name.
From orders.
Orders,
Join.
Join.
Customers.
customers
Customer.
on
Orders dot
Orders
customer ID.
dot customer ID.
ID.
Equal to customers dot customer ID.
Now also we will get only EQ join, but we will get order ID, order name and customer name, right? But I want if any customer did not, if I take here, if I use right outer join in this case, in this case, if I use right outer join, now what do we get, ma?
That all the customers list,
We will get all the customer names, right, from right side table.
right?
Yes, sir.
If some customer, they did not place any order, then there should be some null, right, on the left side.
Right.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me run this query. Yeah, there are 2 customers who have not placed any order. You see somewhere,
Maybe in the last.
you see
Yes,
there is
sir,
2
2.
null value records.
Yes, sir.
These are the 2 customers who did not place some orders, right?
Right.
Yeah. So what happened now? Left side we got all the right side we
Right
got
side.
all the
Right
customers.
side.
Left side there is no orders placed. So left side there is a possibility of null gadama.
Yes, sir.
Adi if I use a left outer join in this case,
We give the right side null
Orders.
value.
Right
Ah.
side
Left-
null value.
left
Right
side
side null
value.
value.
Customer should become
Left, sir.
left. And now what I should do now?
Do
First
the
customer
same for
place I
all,
have to
right,
select.
sir?
Customer
Make
name,
logical
order
representation
Yeah.
purpose.
Yeah.
Make logical ga ardham avada.
From customers.
From
Customer.
after from
Customer.
Left
Join
Left.
order.
orders
orders,
Customers.
customer ID,
equal to
Orders dot customer.
orders dot customer ID.
frame రాయాలి ఇక్కడ.
Left order.
Left out.
Left.
ఇప్పుడు you will get left side table is customers. So left side you will see all the customers. Right side you see there is a possibility of null value, right?
Null values.
అలా ఉంటుంది output. Okay ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this. So if you have some tables, for example, if I take some other I think we have seen, right, the students who have taken all the students, and if they have all the donors here, for all the donors I want to get, but if they paid money I will get the amount, otherwise null is displayed, right? But in this, what did we use? Left outer join. Yes, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. అదే మనం ఇట్లా ఆపోజిట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది?
The data representation will be changed.
Based on situation. If you think that donations has multiple tables, multiple records more than donors, right? Donations has multiple records more than
Donors.
donors. Okay, but suppose there is some ID. For example, there is some ID 9, 10 also, but 9, 10 is not there in the left side table, right?
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ?
Null, sir.
Some money, let's
Null.
say 5,000, so 6,000 something. Now if I take this as the right side, left table, and this as the right side table, for these 2 IDs there is no name, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do we get?
Null, sir.
Name is null.
Null value.
Null value.
అలా ఉంటుంది. That's how it will get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So left after join will have right side null values, right side table null values, sir. Okay.
అదే కదా లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ దేర్ ఇస్ అ నల్ వాల్యూస్.
Yes, sir.
అదే రైట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆల్ వాల్యూస్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యూ మే సే నల్ వాల్యూ.
Yeah.
అదే అన్నాను. సో వన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో దే మే ఆస్క్ లైక్ దట్. వెన్ ఐ రోట్ సమ్ SQL query, right side I am seeing some null values. What type of join you have used?
Left outer join.
Left outer join.
Left outer join.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, చూద్దాం. Let us see tomorrow some more examples, then we will discuss.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe some
Thank you,
notes.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, ma. Thank you, sir.